Good news, breaking news if you like. Tesla will be listed in the S&P 500 by December 21st, 2020, according to S&P Dow Jones indices. What is the implication of this development for both Tesla and investors? Stay with me to find out. Welcome to my channel. Grab a cuppa and then subscribe. The first thing I'd like to highlight is the criteria for becoming a member of S&P 500. And then, according to my findings, to be added to the S&P 500, a stock must meet a broad set of criteria, including a total market cap of at least $8.2 billion. Additionally, the stock must be issued by a US company, have a positive sum of 4 consecutive quarters of trailing earnings, and also meet certain liquidity requirements. And then, is Tesla qualified to become a member of this club? Well, given the present market cap of Tesla at about $420 billion, I say yes, which also includes the nearly 10% jump in price following news of the inclusion in the S&P 500. And if you would like to know, in October, Tesla recorded its 5th straight profitable quarter, taking in more than $330 million US in its 3rd quarter. And then the company also beat out analyst expectations on key metrics like revenue and earnings. And to inform you, Tesla will be the most valuable company ever added to the most well-known index in the world. It is the most valuable car company in the world, currently worth over $420 billion and larger than 95% of all the other S&P 500 companies. The question whether the recent development could have effect on the stock price is worth talking about. You see, Tesla stock could fall later despite the high price now because of the ongoing activities of some of the retail investors. Why? Because so many of them, the traders, could be carried away as it is now and assume the price will rise, thereby overbuying the stocks. Hence, the price could fall because of overbought. Again, my analysis is based on historical pattern or trend. Mind you, it will be a temporary retracement if it happen at all, and then it is subject to bullish momentum with time. In summary, the inclusion of Tesla in the S&P 500 will have great impact on other S&P stocks. I think it is a positive development for Tesla. Okay, here comes the best part. Subscribe, like, and comment. Remember, the goal is to generate wealth, build companies,